guys, welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Today we're going to show you how to do the service light reset on this later shape Ford Focus. To start with, have the ignition off, and then all you need to do is just turn the ignition on to stage 2, so you've got the lights on there, and simply press and hold the accelerator and the brake. And you'll like to keep them depressed for at least 20 seconds. You get the little message there just to say it's in progress, and keep them depressed. Now that says that once the oil reset complete message comes up, you can release both pedals and then turn the ignition off. And that's that, it's all done. Thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you next time.